this is it. This is the tool come in this package. Let me open it up. What I bring is this tool here. Also has some plug. This is what you're gonna be covering the tire and show you how to do it. It come that. Also come with a knife and the instruction how to do it. I'm gonna try to link website where I found it in the description, show you how to use it, and I also show you illustrated pictures how to properly do it right there, step by step, everything it bring with. So it's really easy. It look hard, but it's not. It's really easy. Actually, the tool do everything. First, we locate the puncture. It's right there, and I can hear the air escaping. So yeah, I mean the tire is not that great anyway, but still have life on it. I need to buy it, but for now we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you how to. Okay, this is it. Take out that what got into the tire best we can. And if you do it with the tire fill up with air, it's better. Now you're gonna get this thing. It look kind of like really sharpy, and you're gonna put it in there. You know, kind of like puncture it a little more. Then you're gonna clean the tread with this one. And you clean the tread. I kind of leave it in there for a minute, and then I'm going to show you how to put this plunger into this tool. That's the next step before taking that out. What it is you take this lever right here, and be careful, you know, you pull it forward with your tongue, and then it snap back. So next step, we're going to take this little piece out of here. Take it out of there, and what you're gonna do is like you're going to plunge this like that, you see it, this pin, you're gonna put it there. Then after that we're gonna push it in this tool right here, and we take that out, and we're gonna put it back. Or we take it out in that little pointing screw right there. So you screw it, and what you're gonna be doing is, you're gonna take this out. That's how you're gonna be like, so much out of air. Stay sharp all the way in. What you're gonna do, you're gonna unscrew this out of here. You're gonna unscrew this out of here. You're gonna throw it out. Then after you put that piece in there, you screw this in. What you're gonna do is like press the lever. So that little plunger go in. Get really hard until you can no more. Right there, it's stopped already. What you're gonna do, you're gonna pull it. You're gonna end it with that. So, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull, not really hard because it break, but you're gonna give a little pull. And that's it. That, be careful, it's really sharp, extremely sharp. With a little knife, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna cut it. It's kind of hard to do it with only one hand, so I'm holding my camera in the other one, but yeah. There we go, there you have it. So how to fix tire, the best tool to do it. Check what you repair with soap and water, any soap, dish soap, whatever, make bowls, you can do it. And pretty much it. This is how you do it. And don't worry about little excessive. It's rubber, so it's gonna wear out with the tire, so you'll be fine.